Is it wrong to have a service provider mindset? The obvious answer must be no. Regardless of our role, job, or position, we can benefit from the service provider mindset, regardless of who the customer is. The customer could be a spouse, a child, a parent, a manager, another department, the organization we work for, or an external customer. How about in the context of project management? The answer remains the same, regardless of our project or program role. We use our knowledge, skills, and expertise to provide a service. Is a project management office, PMO, a service provider? Yes. The PMO and other units in the organization should have a service provider mindset. These organizational units provide services to others, so they should be customer-centric. Each organization unit provides a service. For example, human resources, information technology, marketing, finance, or engineering. It is vital to remember that these units must collectively serve the entire organization, its shareholders, and stakeholders. Is it enough for the PMO to be a service provider? Here we must say no. However, before we explain our answer, please reflect on the following questions. In medium to large organizations, these functions are often structured as divisions, departments, or organizational units, except for project management. Why is project management limited to an office and not recognized as a division? Another point to ponder. In medium to large organizations, these functions are often represented by an executive, a CXO, except for project management. The project management leadership often reports to a division manager in the lower ranks of the organization. In some cases, the reporting is to a C-suite position. However, it is rare to have a chief projects officer. Please reflect on these other points. Why is it always on the PMO to find support? Why do we need to continuously prove our value or fear being dismantled? If a company loses money, they do not dismantle the finance division. A company with a high employee turnover does not dissolve the HR division. If IT projects fail, they do not fire the IT division. What must we do to help executives understand, recognize, and accept project management as an equal to other functions? Why do we accept accountability as a project management community without being given the authority or necessary support? Should I say servant, second-class function, just follow orders, etc., etc., etc.? Why cannot we have a project management division that is a service provider, yet it has an essential role in the organization? A role that starts with a chief projects officer contributing to strategy formulation and strategic decisions. A role where the project management division can embed project management skills across the organization. A project management division can help lead the culture change by making project management is indispensable for organizational success, and project management as a competitive advantage. Thank you. Please follow and share.